Today we take an exclusive look inside a modern crocodile meat factory to witness this highly specialized process.
The journey begins in the holding pens, where crocodiles are kept in optimal conditions to ensure product quality.
Precise monitoring of the environment is essential for the health of the animals and the final meat standards. Advanced automation systems guide each individual crocodile through the initial stages of the modern factory's streamlined production line. Please subscribe to our channel now to explore more fascinating and rare industrial processes from around the world.
Safety and humane practices are the top priorities during the first critical steps of the crocodile meat processing.
Once neutralized, the animal is lifted by a mechanical hoist to begin the meticulous cleaning and skinning phase.
High-pressure water jets thoroughly sanitize the tough hide, ensuring that no bacteria enter the clean processing environment.
Expert skinners use precision tools to remove the valuable hide, which is often sent to high-end fashion tanneries.
This secondary industry ensures that every part of the animal is utilized efficiently within the modern factory ecosystem. The meat is now exposed and must pass a rigorous visual inspection before moving to the cutting room.
Industrial saws divide the carcass into primary cuts, including the tail, which is considered the most premium part. Less skilled butchers perform final trimming by hand to ensure that each fillet meets the strict culinary market requirements.
The meat moves through a blast chiller to rapidly lower the temperature and preserve the natural fresh flavor. Automated scales measure every portion with absolute precision before thermal labels are applied to the final product packaging. Vacuum sealing is used to extend the shelf life and maintain the high quality of the crocodile meat.
The packaged meat is then boxed and prepared for international export to high-end restaurants and specialty markets.
Pallets are stored in a massive sub-zero freezer while they await shipment to their final global destinations. Continuous laboratory testing ensures that the facility complies with all international food safety regulations and sanitary standards.
Crocodile meat is prized for being low in fat and high in protein, making it a healthy choice. This incredible process demonstrates the efficiency and the technical precision required to operate a modern meat processing facility.
From a wild predator to a refined culinary delicacy, and the transformation is complete through these advanced industrial methods. Even the waste products are processed to create high-protein animal feed, ensuring a zero-waste manufacturing cycle. Deep cleaning of the entire facility occurs daily to maintain the highest levels of hygiene and worker safety. The global reach of crocodile meat is expanding as more consumers discover the unique taste and health benefits. Traceability starts from the very beginning, with detailed health records kept for every animal that enters the factory. Safety gear like chainmail gloves is mandatory to protect workers from the sharp blades used in filleting. Maintaining the vacuum seal is critical to prevent spoilage and ensure the meat reaches the customer safely. The cold chain must remain unbroken as the meat is transported to the airport for fast delivery.
Thermal imaging helps chefs understand the unique cooking properties of this lean and very dense reptilian meat.
Specialized bone saws are designed to handle the dense skeletal structure of the crocodile with absolute industrial efficiency.
Precision in logistics ensures that every order is fulfilled correctly and reaches the correct international gourmet market. The constant surveillance ensures that all protocols are followed and that the facility remains secure at all times.
Some high-end orders receive custom packaging to reflect the premium nature of the rare crocodile meat product.
Transparency in production is important for modern consumers who want to know how their food is processed.
Jerky and other value-added products are also produced here, using the smaller trimmings from the animal.
Attention to detail is what sets this factory apart from traditional meat processing plants around the world.
Replicating the natural environment is key to keeping the crocodiles calm and healthy before the processing begins.
Razor-sharp knives are essential for clean cuts that do not damage the delicate fibers of the meat.
Robotics play a major role in the final packaging phase, reducing the risk of human error significantly.
The unique texture and marbling of crocodile meat provide a culinary experience unlike any other land animal.
Digital batch tracking allows the factory to trace any package back to the specific animal and date. Inventory management is vital to ensure that all orders are shipped on time to maintain product freshness. The tail contains the most sought-after meat, known for its tenderness and its high culinary value.
Adjusting the pace of the line allows the factory to maintain quality during high-volume production periods. Consumers can scan the QR code to learn about the origin and the processing of their meat.
The night shift is dedicated to deep cleaning and preparing the factory for the next day's operations.
Scientific analysis of the meat helps the factory maintain a consistent and high-quality product for customers.
Proper palletizing and wrapping are essential for the safe transport of the product across long international distances.
As the day ends, the factory continues its relentless mission to provide the world with premium meat.
Every part of the animal is treated with respect, as the factory maximizes the yield of meat. Precision singeing ensures the hide is perfect for tanning, and the meat remains free from any contaminants.
Custom marinades are developed to enhance the natural flavor of crocodile meat for specific regional market tastes.
High oxygen levels are maintained to keep the animals healthy and stress-free before they enter processing. Strict personal hygiene protocols are followed by every worker to ensure the safety of the food product.
Laser-guided systems provide a level of precision that traditional butchery cannot match in a high volume.
Monitoring daily goals helps the factory maintain its position as a global leader in the crocodile industry. Cleanliness is maintained at every second of the process to ensure the highest possible culinary standards today.
Maintaining the sub-zero environment requires massive cooling systems that operate 24 hours a day consistently.
The final product begins its long journey across the ocean, reaching kitchens on the other side of the world.
The next batch begins as the factory cycle repeats with the same level of care and precision.
Sausages are a popular way to enjoy crocodile meat, offering a versatile and delicious gourmet food option.
Curing the hides in salt is an ancient technique that remains effective in the modern industrial process. Temperature logs are kept continuously to prove that the meat has remained at the required safety levels.
Removing hard bone-like structures is a labor-intensive process that ensures the meat is easy to cook.
Sustainability is integrated into the factory design, with a focus on recycling water and reducing environmental impact.
The visual appeal of crocodile meat is a key selling point for high-end culinary market segments.
Real-time data entry ensures that the factory management always has an accurate view of the production.
Preparation is the key to maintaining a smooth flow of product through the various factory processing departments.
Every measurement counts when maintaining the high standards required for a premium gourmet meat product like this.
Automated cleaning of equipment between every single animal is a critical part of the factory's sanitary protocol. Research and development teams work to identify new ways to utilize all parts of the crocodile animal.
Carpaccio and other specialty cuts require extreme precision and a very delicate touch during the slicing process.
The belly hide is the most valuable part of the skin, used to make luxury leather goods.
Thermal protection is vital during the short periods when the product is outside of the main freezer. Solar energy helps power the massive cooling systems, reducing the factory's reliance on traditional and expensive power.
Regular maintenance of the precision cutting tools ensures they remain sharp and ready for the daily production.
Skewers are a great way to use smaller meat pieces, providing a healthy and tasty snack option.
Every container is carefully logged before it leaves the facility to ensure a perfect delivery to customer. Certifications prove that the factory adheres to the highest standards of animal welfare and food safety today.
Chemistry plays a role in the hide tanning process, ensuring the leather is durable and high quality.
Air cleaning is a gentle way to ensure the hide is perfect before it is sent to.
The factory operates in harmony with its natural surroundings, respecting the ecosystem that provides the raw materials.
Consistency in slice thickness is critical for chefs who want to provide a perfect dining experience always.
The skull and bones are also utilized to create unique ornamental items and high-quality bone meal.
Scanners make inventory management fast and accurate, ensuring that the correct products are shipped to customers.
Freshness is guaranteed through the factory's advanced chilling and vacuum packaging systems that operate every single day.
Global communication is essential for the factory to manage its large network of international gourmet meat distributors.
Even the drains are cleaned daily to ensure there are no odors or bacterial growth in factory.
Automated systems can produce a wide variety of meat products, including meatballs and specialized burger patties today.
The quality seal is the final promise that the product inside is of the highest possible standard.
The scale of the warehouse reflects the growing global demand for premium and healthy crocodile meat products.
Tail meat is the most versatile and popular part of the crocodile, offering a mild, pleasant flavor.
The final shipment of the day is loaded as the factory prepares for the next production cycle.
Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world's most interesting and unique industrial processes. From a powerful predator to a gourmet meal, and the modern crocodile factory makes it all look easy. The incredible precision and efficiency of this facility are truly a marvel of modern and advanced engineering. Experience the taste of the wild, refined through the modern technology of this world-class processing facility. The journey of the crocodile is a testament to the power and the precision of human innovation. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the industrial process that you have certainly never seen before.